gathered together today in the sight of God and in the face of this company to join together this man and this woman in holy matrimony, where Robert and Shannon will be joined together as one in Christ.
I, Robert, take you, Shannon, to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward.
I, Shannon, take you, Robert, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
What God has joined together, let no one put asunder. It is my distinct privilege to be the first to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Robert Crenshaw.